So everything you just saw right now is 4K 60 on the iPhone XS Max. This, however, is the front-facing camera at 1080 60 frames per second. That is one of the new features on the iPhone XS. So before I hop over to the rear-facing camera, I wanted to show that upscale just to show its full frame rate. So right now we're just about at sunset outside, just to give you an idea of stabilization, the sound quality. I'm behind the camera right now, moving around, walking around, and it's really holding up well with the dynamic range. We got some of that orange in the sky, that blue. I'm gonna walk a little faster, walk up, and Mr. Stevie actually captured a lot of those shots in the beginning of the video. So that's kind of it with this. If you missed my unboxing, make sure you guys check that out, which is linked up here or down below.